What the fuck happened over here? Take a look at this shit. Fucking car. Car fender flooded all over here. The fucking cars are all moved. What the fuck? Cars got moved, dudes. Look at this shit. Cars are all moved. It was that bad that it was flooding so bad and blowing so hard, all these cars got moved. Holy shit, look at this shit. Look at that. Holy shit. That's some crazy shit. Oh, whoa. Look at this shit. Fuck. Here my crazy ass is walking to work right now. Look at this. Holy shit. Whoa. This is crazy.